Google Play Store can't install app problem, fix it easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now go to the Google Play Store from here. Now after you click on the Google Play Store, this is the app information page. All what you have to do here is click on the storage. Now click on the clear cache option from here, click on clear data and then click on the first stop from here. After that you have to go to the power usage details, click here down on the first stop option and then go to the back, click on the open by default. Click here on open supported links in the app and click on always allow. Now restart your phone and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.